Ako. Hawakan mo yan sa loob. Yung bag mo. Can you?
Ha?
Or you wanna
Yeah,
put
yeah,
it here?
hawakan ko na. Hawakan ko na.
Your mom's bag.
Yeah, yeah. Ayos. Mini electric fan. Mini electric fan.
Mini electric fan and ano yung pangalan yan? FDI?
DJI.
DJI. Pinag-aralan mo? Okay, document every places. I'm hungry. Hindi na lang bumaba ako hindi mo pinatay yung humidifier.
Yung?
Yung maliit. Yung humidifier sa basement.
No, yung air purifier yun.
Ay, yan.
Kailangan bang patayin?
Yung air purifier, yeah. Yung daw lang malaki ang yung humidifier.
In the next 15 minutes, our food just went down. They're prepping the cabin for departure. We have our catering team on board preparing the food for the departure.
Yeah, kasi tapon yun na.
May mga ano dyan, mag-board na tayo 15 minutes.
Hi.
To fly with Air Canada.
Or I can put the speakers
La Policia. Welcome to Rome. Welcome to Rome. Welcome to Rome.
Hey, let's go, babe.
Killjoy naman. Killjoy naman yun. KJ.
Pinapapasok na tayo ng ano.
Baka magalit, baka magalit. Galit yun. Galit na. Hello. 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 What is this? Oh shit. For 40 minutes. 40 minutes from the airport to hotel.
Parang malayo pa sa Montreal to LC. Yeah.
Pupunta na kami ng hotel Kirinali.
Naman ano lang,
Ay, malapit pa? Malapit.
No, 30 kilometers. Parang ano lang din. Mountain lang. Nice. Kaso alam, parang may mga traffic na dadaan.
Oh, pati 38 minutes. Tingnan. I-ano niya. Ano? Oh, 38 minutes. Yeah, 40. That's with traffic or without traffic?
Yeah, an average time. Kailang available na yung room.
Saan tayo kain?
Meron daw silang restaurant dito sa likod. Yeah. 4th floor. Yeah. 448. 42454. So, dito na yun. Parang galing sa Instagram.
Parang ano, amoy yung Jose Rizal?
Bahay.
Oh, bahay ni Jose Rizal. Parang ito pa yung ano eh. Sinaunang panahon. Yung hotel. Anong number?
448.
4
Ay, baka dito pa.
448?
Yeah.
Wala.
448.
Okay, nalagyan mo na yun. Mary Addison. Ano? 441.
Layo naman. Ito layo. The freak.
Oh, this one. 448. So how to open? Yun. Gawin.
Ito yung bedroom.
Kaamin mo yun?
Yeah, may amoy siya.
Amoy, anong klase na bang yun?
Anong amoy medisina? I don't know. Maliit lang siya. Maliit lang siya.
Yung gamit natin dito at
Saan yung bathroom? Ito yung bathroom. Oh shit. Mali. Yan pala yung exit. Ito yung bathroom. Wow. It's very nice. Looks nice. Looks clean. The bathroom looks new. It's way newer than this. I feel like it's been
Yeah, yeah.
renovated.
No, this
It's
is
been
very-
renovated. It's really nice. Wait, what? Walang closing to. Walang... Ano to kino-close? Very nice. Hotel Quirinale. Quirinale? Queer?